Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Emma. Today I'm bringing you just a quick 10-minute yoga sequence to help de-stress or focus your mind. We're going to start in either easy pose or just a comfortable seat and close the eyes. Take a few deep breaths here whenever you find that seat. And now you can open the eyes. We're going to extend the right leg out in front of us. Place the left leg over the right thigh and hold here if you're comfortable there. If you want to go for a little deeper of a stretch, we're going to hug on to that left leg and pull it into our chest. Take some deep breaths wherever you are. Hold for 2 more deep breaths. Then we're going to extend the left leg out straight. Just hold our staff pose here for just a moment, trying to keep length in that lower back. And then we're going to cross the right leg over the left this time. Bend the left leg in a little bit. Or hold on to that right leg and bring it in, extending the left leg back out. Take a couple deep breaths here. Nice, extend that leg back out straight. Take a breath. Come back into that staff pose. And then we're going to place the left leg over the right. Make sure the foot is behind the right knee, and then take our right arm and hook it on the outside of the left knee. Support yourself with that left arm. Seated spinal twist here. Nice, take it back to the middle. We're going to swap sides. So this time, right leg over the left leg. Hook that left arm on the outside of the right knee. Twist your spine. Try and face that chest towards the right. Bring it back to the middle. Extend both legs out and make your way onto your back. We're going to bring both legs into our chest and then extend the left leg out. Crunch a little bit towards that bent right leg and begin to do a few yogic bicycles. So crunching towards whichever leg you're bending and then extending the other leg. Keep it going. Use your breathing. You got this. And relax down. We'll do that again in just a moment. Inhale, crunch back up. You got this. Find your pace. Engage that core. A few more. And relax back down. Nice job. From here, we're gonna bring our legs into our chest and then extend them and try and swing up to chair pose. It may take a few tries. Take your time to get here. So there, hold the chair pose for breath. And then release on down to a forward fold. Try and press those hips up and back. Next, inhale, round all the way up, connect the palms. Exhale, we're going to swing the arms up and around one more time, but this time raising the right leg. And then just swinging it around the back into a high lunge position, keeping the palms connected. Take a breath here. And then we're going to bring both arms up in front of us, but begin to circle the right arm. So left leg and left arm forward, right leg behind you, and right arm circling. Nice. Bring both hands back in front of you and step it forward to the top of your mat, back into the mountain pose. Again, bring those arms up and then sweep them out to the sides. Raise that left leg up. Bring the leg out to the side and towards the back into the high lunge position. Take a breath here with the palms connected. And then tilt forward slightly, bring the right arm over in front of you and begin to circle the left. Keep breathing. And extend both arms out in front of you. And step it forward back into that mountain pose. Again, sweep those arms up overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Take a breath here. Inhale, rise back up, chair pose. And come back into our mountain. Inhale again, we're going to raise the right leg up, swing it back into high lunge position again, palms together. Take a breath here. And this time, when we tilt forward, we're going to swap the arms up. So this time, the right arm reaches forward, left arm begins to circle. Keep it going. Recheck in with the breath. And then tilt back forwards and step it back up to mountain pose. Inhale, sweep the arms up, raise the left leg, swing it around the back, step into that high lunge. And then we're going to extend the left arm forward, right arm circles. Keep breathing, keep finding that rhythm. And then step it back up to mountain. Swing the arms up overhead, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come back into that chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale again, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. One more, inhale, chair pose. And exhale as you make your way to your back. Tuck those knees into your chest. And we're going to add a few more yogic bicycles here. So crunch toward that right leg, then the left, then the right. Keep breathing, engage that core. Find your pace. Tucking and extending each leg. And rest back down. Take a break in between. Inhale, crunch towards the left leg, then the right. You got this. Alternate between extending and bending each leg. A few more. And rest back down. Take a deep breath. And then we're going to tuck our legs in, so bend the knees. Take both legs to the left side. And here's option 1, our spinal twist. Or to deepen the twist, we're going to take our right hand, grab onto our left leg or left foot, and pull it towards us. So use that left hand to pull down the right knee as well. And either rest in the spinal twist or the option 2 cattail pose. Take some deep breaths. Keep your focus in the moment. Spinal twists can be completely freeing and relaxing. On the next exhale, bring it back to the middle. Let your spine sit neutral for just a moment, and then bring both legs to the right side. Option 1 again is here. Option 2, using that left arm to grab onto the right foot. Take a few deep breaths, close the eyes. Just feel the release of this pose. Bring it back to the middle. Let the spine sit neutral for just a moment. And we're just about done here. Just take that final deep releasing breath and make your way to seated. Take a deep inhale from seated. And then bow forward with the exhale. Take a second to thank yourself for moving your body here. Rise up when you're ready. If you'd like to see more videos, leave a like, a comment, or maybe hit that subscribe button. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.